Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the PLK L8058 DTF Printer, XP600 DTF machine, and roll feeder. This incredible device has been making waves in the printing community, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on its key features and benefits. First off, let's talk about the amazing value you get with this printer. The package includes a 2-year ink supply, which is a total game changer. You'll receive 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 G powder, and all you need to do is reach out to customer service every 2 months to get a fresh set. Just pay for shipping, and you're good to go. This is a huge cost-saving advantage, especially for businesses or individuals who print frequently. Imagine having the freedom to create and print without worrying about running out of ink or breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into the printer's precision and creativity capabilities. The PLK L8058 DTF Printer is a powerhouse when it comes to transforming your designs into stunning masterpieces. With its high-resolution output and razor-sharp detail, you can trust that your creativity will shine through with every print. Whether you're a graphic designer, artist, or entrepreneur, this printer will help you bring your visions to life with vibrant colors and crisp details. I've seen some amazing prints come out of this machine, and I'm confident you'll be impressed too. Another feature that really stands out is the printer's aesthetic and functional design. The space-saving design and integrated ink tank make it a perfect addition to your creative setup, whether that's a home office or a commercial workspace. The sleek and modern design will fit seamlessly into your environment, and the compact size means you can maximize your workspace without sacrificing style. Plus, the printer's durable construction ensures it will withstand heavy use and last for a long time. The PLK L8058 DTF printer also boasts a state-of-the-art white ink stirring system, which ensures consistent ink flow and vivid, evenly distributed colors. This means you can say goodbye to settling and clogging issues, and hello to flawless prints every time. The smooth and reliable performance of this printer will save you time and frustration, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating and growing your business. Last but not least, let's talk about the incredible speed of this printer. With the XP600 printhead, you can enjoy 200% faster printing speeds than traditional printers. This is a total game changer for anyone who needs to print large quantities or meet tight deadlines. Imagine being able to finish projects quicker and focus on growing your business, rather than waiting around for your prints to finish. The double-speed capability of this printer will revolutionize your workflow and take your productivity to the next level. In conclusion, the PLK L8058 DTF Printer, XP600 DTF machine, and roll feeder is an absolute powerhouse of a device. With its incredible value, precision, aesthetic design, smooth performance, and lightning-fast speed, it's the perfect addition to any creative setup. Whether you're a business owner, artist, or entrepreneur, this printer will help you bring your visions to life and take your printing to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing device and start creating stunning prints today. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a total game changer, and I'm excited to see what you'll create.